Okay, we're here in the garden. It's the middle of April. We're just getting our hoop house set up. So you see we just got the end ones on there now. We're going to build some end walls. Declan is forming. What we did was we added some pallets here and we cut them up lengthways to make some side walls and then an end wall as well. Of course they're a little bit uneven because we just cut in between the boards, and it doesn't really matter. Of course we're going to put plastic over the works of it. The walls are about 2 feet high, and that shouldn't provide too much shade. And this is on the ends here. We got 3/4 PVC, and at the time we could only get 6 pieces of 3/4, so we went with 4 other pieces, a 1/2 inch. You know, pretty level, not too crucial to be perfect, of course, but we just wanted to take a shot now while we're still working on it. Of course the garden is right here next door. There's the boss, and just so you know, this time of year you can start to see the green. We planted some clover there last year. It's starting to get a bit green, and hopefully it'll grow a little bit before we'll till it back into the soil to get a little more organic material in there for this year before we start. So there you go. We'll check in now in a little while with our progress. Okay, so we're almost ready for the plastic. We've got our a back window there that's going to swing up. We got a door framed out here that we're going to cover in plastic. Front is framed out. We don't have any reinforcement there around the back window yet. We might have to add that. Just little details here on the sides here. So we're attaching the conduit top and bottom, and that works really well. We also attached it here at the top of these posts. You can see it there. Now, of course, to make it even, so that we can put our sticks across to hold down the plastic, we've built that out a little bit there. But coming together here now. Hopefully the wind hasn't been too bad here this morning, but of course it's going to pick up now if we want to go into plastic. And look, there's some wildlife coming down the trail. Is it a moose? Nope, just Carolyn. Okay, next time you see it, we'll probably be struggling with plastic. Okay, so we just put the plastic over the top. We still haven't secured it all the way. We did sides to tighten them up a little bit, and on the door end we're just getting it sorted out a little. We still got to figure out now which way we want to tighten up the back, but already in a short few minutes, I don't know how long it's been, probably probably about almost an hour now, I guess we've been, or half an hour at least, we've had the plastic on it, and it's noticeably hot inside. And look what it's like. It's not exactly a beautiful day here. I'd say it's about 6 degrees out, and I bet you it's at least double that inside. So that's where we are.